And we're back. Feels like I never left. That's because I didn't leave. I'm right here. 9C, applying meanings, is the next one. And hopefully you noticed that in the assignment for this activity, I listed the number of questions or number of correct responses for each one. So let's get right to it. 9C, applying meanings. Number 1 has just one correct answer. Which of the following could cause torment? Well, if you think about it, really, a bad sunburn is the only one that's truly going to cause you torment, pain, and suffering. A broken shoelace might annoy you. Looking at the moon is fairly peaceful activity. Scoring the winning goal might cause you to be excited. So the only one that can cause you torment is a bad sunburn. We've all been there before, probably, most of us. Number 2, which of the following has a soul? Okay. Well, we could say that your foot has a soul. We could say that a boot has a soul. Even a shoe has a soul. But a fish, although a soul is a type of fish, does not have a soul. Okay? Your feet have souls. Shoes and boots have souls. So that was kind of a tricky question because they mentioned the word fish for soul. You know, and most of us know by now that a soul is a type of fish, but it does not have a soul. A fish does not have a soul. Number 3. Which of the following might affect a person's prospects for getting into college? Okay. Red hair should not determine whether or not you get into college, but your leadership qualities might. If you have poor grades, that would affect your ability to get into college. If you're really good at a sport like football, basketball, softball, that would affect your ability or your prospects for getting into college. If you were really good at one of those sports I just mentioned, or running track or something else, a college might want you to go there so that you can join their sports team. Number 4 says, which of the following could easily be taken advantage of? A weak person? Absolutely. If a person is weak, then someone who's stronger than them could take advantage of them. A foolish person? Absolutely. Someone who's foolish or gets fooled easily might have someone be able to outsmart them and take advantage of them. A strong person? Probably not going to be taking advantage of that easily, whether we're talking about mentally strong or physically strong. They would probably be able to take care of themselves. A small child could easily be taken advantage of. I hate to say it, but I trick my kids all the time into making them think the way I want to. So if I tell them they've had enough screen time for the day, or if they are bugging each other, I will do something that will try to manipulate their mind so that they do things my way. I take advantage of them. I hate to say it. Number 5, which of the following might a typical person traveling on vacation carry? Well, a camera might be a thing that if you're on vacation, you might want to take pictures. So you want a camera. You probably would want, if you're visiting a place you've never been to especially, you might want to have a guidebook with you that would tell you all about that area. A bucket and a lamp. Probably don't need those two things unless you were specifically doing something where you needed a bucket. But the typical person traveling around a vacation spot doesn't need a bucket, and a lamp wouldn't do you much good either. Okay. Number 6 on the top of page 105. Which of the following might cause a scarcity of water? A scarcity meaning that there would not be as much as we need, so too much demand for it would mean that means a lot of people want to use water. So would that cause a scarcity of water? It would. If too many people wanted to use water for washing their cars and watering their lawn and watering their flowers or doing projects or filling their swimming pools, if there's too much demand for it, then that would cause a scarcity of the water. That would mean that we are causing it to not have enough, right? Along with that, if there was too little rain, that would also cause a scarcity of water. If we had a flood, then that would increase the amount of water that we would have. It's not a scarcity. Or if there was anger, I don't see how anger has anything to do with there being a scarcity of water. So answers C and D don't make any sense, but answers A and B are correct. Number 7, which of the following might cause astonishment? Okay. if you had a summer snowstorm. I'd be pretty amazed by that. That would cause astonishment to me. If I saw a talking cat, yeah, that would astonish me. A red apple? Oh my goodness! No, not really. A red apple would not cause me astonishment, but perhaps a flying car would. So answers A, B, and C are correct. And finally, number 8. Which of the following could be confirmed? Okay, confirmed. Well, a sigh, not really something. I can't really confirm that. A result I can confirm. If we got test results on something, or vote, we took a vote, that can be confirmed. A fact can be confirmed, that can be proven, right? Beauty, they say there's an expression, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Beauty is something that is not provable. Everyone's definition of beauty is different. So we would not be able to confirm that one, so we would go ahead with answers B and C. All right? So tomorrow, guys, let me touch around here. Tomorrow, oh, I got to zoom way out. That's too close to Mr. Cowden. Yikes. How are we doing here? Sorry, I hope you're not making you dizzy there. Tomorrow you will have a Kahoot for lesson 9. Hopefully you've been practicing these words a little bit each day. You'll see that Kahoot in there assigned to you once again. So make sure that you click on that, complete it for today. And I gave you till Tuesday. So if you take it initially and you don't do as well as you were hoping for, I encourage you to retake the Kahoot once you have seen which answers you got wrong. Hopefully you look back at your glossary a little bit, think about those, and study up again. And I encourage you all to take that quiz again to try to do your very best. Okay? Have a good weekend, and I will see you guys next week. Take care, guys.